Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials. Get the Esp8266 GPS module, antenna, and a stable 3V supply. Once powered, wire TX of GPS to RX of Esp8266 and RX to TX, and attach the USB serial adapter so you can flash. Open Arduino IDE, install the Esp8266 board package, then add Tiny GPS++ or a lightweight parser. Upload a basic serial snoop sketch to confirm the GPS outputs NME sentences at 9600 baud. Make sure the antenna has a clear view of sky. Once done with basic parsing, implement Tiny GPS++ calls to get latitude, longitude, speed, and fix status. Only transmit when you have a valid fix. Next, connect Esp8266 to Wi-Fi using saved SSID and password, and add reconnection logic with exponential backoff so you don't block other tasks. Then format a compact JSON or URL-encoded payload with timestamp, lat/lon, and battery voltage, and send it via HTTP post or MQTT. Make sure to rate limit transmissions. One update every 5-10 seconds unless you need higher frequency. You finish by securing power and packaging. Choose a 3V regulator rated 0.5 to 1 amp and add decoupling caps so the Esp8266 won't brown out during Wi-Fi bursts. Place the antenna where it sees sky, use an RF transparent enclosure, and strain relieve wires. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting by watching the raw serial NME output and Esp8266 serial logs. Verify RSSI, check for valid fix flags, try a different antenna, and examine retry/backoff counters to pinpoint connectivity or GPS lock problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.